got a second, read some of this shit. It's pretty cool. Got glasses? Okay. Parts of the turbine and parts of what they did here. They made cotton, they milled wood, they ginned, they did everything here in this building.
Oh, so water power.
Mm-hmm.
See the year on the beam up there, 1880?
Yeah, 1880s, pretty new. That's a pretty cool canoe, huh?
Ah.
I'll tell you a place, I'll suggest a place that would be a really good picture. But these are real cool right here.
Well, that's the turbine. From one of the years that they had a turbine on it. Isn't that something? Wouldn't think enough water would flow through that son of a bitch to make it a fit.
And then if you come down here, it's really beautiful from that side. If you're on that side, but we're over here, so come down here. But you can see all the rocks along here.
When they first constructed the mill, they made it a wood mill without any barn around it. So they could cut the wood to build the barn around it, and then they cut wood for building the houses around the immediate area and more bridges and whatnot.
Oh, okay.
All came from this. And then once the neighborhood was established and there was other resources and mills available, then they went to gin and cotton and milling food out of here. Corn gristle and all that stuff. Cornmeal.
Wow.
Very long history. And then when the Civil War came about, that's when this all began around here.
Oh. This looks like a dam.
A lot of history. You know? If some of these planks could talk.
Right.
See, look, here's a cornmeal bin right here. Water ground cornmeal.
Huh. I see that there's stuff upstairs too.
Yeah, well, we're not allowed up there.
Not allowed up there.
That's where the good shit is.
Right. You gotta pay a fee to go up there. Darn it. That's where all the good stuff is at. And you can see it right up there.
You see how this is put together?
Uh-huh.
Paved and everything?
Yeah.
Originally. And there was a railroad track through here at one time. The railroad came through here at one time, Todd.
Yeah. Oh.
Look, corn.
Mm.
Shared and ASAP.
Yeah.
25 to 30 bushels per hour. Pretty good. Pretty funny.
I want to see what's upstairs. It's almost like there's no way to get up there. Is there?
There's probably a stairwell in one of those rooms in the loft. But listen,
That's
when
it.
this first started, they had the train track that ran through there. Okay, ran right across there. And then they built the little mill to build wood and stuff, and they brought the wood from over here via the train to cut. You follow me? 'Cause
Right.
this wasn't always this short. And there wasn't always a second floor here. This was just like a little bridge, dam, power plant thing until they built all this crap and stopped the railroad track through here. So it was just a little municipality railroad for hauling corn, grains, you know, here to the mill. So long history. I've actually seen the little train they did it with. It wasn't much.
Huh. I was going to get a short time lapse. Stuff floating across the water. Right? So, just enough for like 5 minutes. Got roots that go right into the